Hi everybody, welcome to Kingston Library's Virtual Steampunk Club. My name is Leanne. Thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to try our hand at making easy paper kites. So you need A4 sheet of paper, stapler, cotton thread. If you don't have cotton thread, some string. And if you're going to go the string option, you'll need a hole punch. Firstly, you take your A4 piece of paper and you fold it in half on the short edge, like so. Make a firm crease. On the creased edge, you're going to fold your piece of paper again in half and make a small crease. You don't need to go the whole way through, just a little indent so you can see. Then you're going to take the end and join that, fold that into the halfway mark. And again, just a light pressure. So then you have the quarter and the halfway mark. Next, flip it upside down, that way, and take your corner and place it on the quarter crease, and the same with the other corner, like so. Take your stapler and staple it all together. Voila, there you go. If you're going to use the thread, you'll need to get your stapler again and place it half on the piece of paper and half off. So the staple at the halfway crease is going to be half in the paper and half off, like so. So you can see the staple is half in the piece of paper and half out of it. Take your cotton thread, and you're going to thread it through the staple like you would a needle. And pop it through like so, and tie a knot. And you are done. If you don't have the cotton thread and you wanted to use string, you can instead place a hole punch instead of the second staple. So I'll quickly make another one. So in half, did it all the way through, and a quarter. You take your corners and meet them at the quarter point, like so. And then at the halfway point, you're going to take your hole punch and pop, pop a hole in there. Don't do what I did. The string won't stay in. Take your string, thread it through the hole, tie a knot, and you're ready to go fly. Go ready to fly a kite. So the science behind it is the wind blows on your kite. Some hits it directly, some underneath, and some goes and some over the top. The wind that goes under the kite helps to lift the kite off the ground. You may need to run initially to make your own wind. And the drag is the pressure of the wind against the object that keeps it up in the air. Kites are designed to use just enough lift and drag to get it and hopefully keep it up in the air. Have fun flying your kite. Bye for now.